figure out how to get the heater box itself out. Let's see, what do we got in here? All right, there's a bolt in there. There's one there under the weather stripping tape. There's another one under the weather stripping tape. Yep, another one right here. Let's see, look under the hood real quick. See what we got going on over here. All right, so I clearly see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Looks like 11 bolts. Some are facing out this way and other ones are from the inside I gotta take out. So yeah, I'm gonna take out the ones on the outside first. Grab my little impact and the 10 milli. Got all the outside bolts out. Now we gotta get the inside ones out. But like I said, so far I see this one over here. There's another one up in here. And then probably a bunch more around there. And so I got those 3 out under there that I showed you. There was one right there that I got out. And now it's pretty loose. Feels like maybe there's only another 1 or 2 holding it in. Yeah, see that one right there? That's probably holding it in. Pop that one out. Wobbling. Huh? What am I not seeing? Let's get under here. Ah, right here. Never disconnected the heater core lines. So let me pop them off. Oh, fuck. Some of that coolant all over me. Man, that coolant hit me in the wrong spot, man. Look at that. Looks like I pissed my pants. It's hopefully that was it. That hole, those hoses holding it in. Let's give it another pull. No, still feels like something down here. Oh, this tape maybe. That's it. Yeah, I just had to give it a good tug, but there is still one more vacuum line connected from on the outside. Just gotta pop that apart. There's more antifreeze in there. All right, she's out. Beautiful. What do we got in here? All right, cool. I actually didn't pour the antifreeze on the inside a little bit right there. But yeah, I gotta say that orange antifreeze is some stinky ass shit. A little bit down there. It's all right. All right, cool. That's it. Now we're gonna find out if I can keep my heat. See if we can take this portion off, because that's, I think, mainly the air conditioner. Either that or I'll just leave the whole unit out. What would you guys do? Race car, right? Forget about it. The sun's starting to set. So tomorrow's another day. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna put this all back together again. We're gonna put the aluminum plate in. I'm gonna have to go get some weather stripping for the plate. This way I can seal it up against the surface here. You gotta put it on from the inside. And then I'm gonna have to get some nuts and bolts to go around it. So yeah, till tomorrow. We're also gonna do a short product review on that plate I'm putting in, along with every other part that's actually going into this car. So every time I put a part in, there'll be a short product review, out of the box review with the part. So All right, that's something to look forward to, right? Alrighty, till tomorrow.